download the app and register with Soils for Science. Follow the link to order a soil sampling kit. When the kit arrives, you're ready to collect soil samples. Once you have your soil sample, it's back to the app. With each soil sample, make sure you add them to the app. Be sure to enter the code on the bag into the app and to upload a picture of the collection site. Once you've uploaded all your samples, put them in the return postage envelope and post them back to us. We will notify you through the app when the image of your microbes is available. Thank you for participating in Soils for Science and for helping us discover the next generation of antibiotics.